Have you ever tried to use your computer only to see a black screen and a mouse cursor? This is actually a common issue for many people. The good news is your computer has not died on you. This is a temporary issue that can be resolved with a simple restart of the computer. In this video, I'm going to explain why this happens and what to do to restart your computer. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Let's get rid of the black screen so you can get back to work. What's actually happening in this situation is Windows may have frozen up during a startup, crashed while loading the desktop, had a graphics driver issue, or gotten stuck after an update. However, if you can still see the cursor on your screen, the good news is your computer isn't dead. The first thing you want to try is pressing the Control-Alt-Delete button on your keyboard at the same time. That should bring up the Windows security screen. Down in the bottom right corner, you'll see a power button icon. Click on that and then click Restart. You should boot back into your desktop normally now. If Control-Alt-Delete doesn't bring up the security screen for you, there's one more way to restart your computer that should help. I want to warn you that you should only use this option as a last resort and don't use it too often, since it could cause other problems with your computer. What you should do here is hold the power button down for about 8 seconds. This will completely shut down and power off your computer. After waiting a few minutes, press the power button again to power your computer back up like you normally would. You should be able to get back to work again. Again, this usually happens because Windows got stuck or crashed for some reason. However, it's usually not a big concern unless it happens regularly. Now, if restarting your computer with these options didn't resolve your problem, you could have a bigger issue. You could have corrupted Windows files, graphics driver problems, or other failing hardware. Although, if you still have power on your computer, you can usually get things working again with other advanced techniques. Dig around on my channel for other tips on these kinds of problems. There are some things you can do to prevent this issue from happening. Make sure you restart your computer regularly. Make sure Windows is updated, and make sure you do regular preventative maintenance on your computer. So remember, a black screen on a computer is not detrimental. It may just need to be restarted to clear any minor glitches. Let me know in the comments if restarting your computer solved your problem. And if you need more help properly maintaining your computer, make sure you check out our website. The link is in the description. Be sure you like and subscribe for more tips like this, or I'll have to steal your RAM. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.